Okay, going to have a look at 2013 January. There's two questions here. Question 3 is a simultaneous equation. So in this question here, you rewrite one as x equals or y equals and sub it into the other. I'm going to take the second equation and write it as x equals, call this equation 2. So now equation 1 becomes x, which is 3 add 2y times y equals 2. Timesing that out, 2y squared plus 3y minus 2. So writing it as a quadratic. Now I'm going to factorise that. So 2y and y equals 0. So if I put in 2 here and 1 there, I get a 4 on the outside and a 3 on the inside. So 4 on the outside and a 1 on the inside. I want that to give me 3y. So positive 4, take away 1. Set each bracket equal to 0. So 2y equals 1, y equals a half, y plus 2 equals 0, y equals minus 2. Now don't forget to find out what x is. So using equation 2, x is 3 plus 2 times y. So in this here case, x is 3 plus 2 times a half. So x is 3 add 1, which is 4. And over on this here side, x equals the same thing, 3 plus 2y. So 3 plus 2 times minus 2, x is minus 1. And the next question in this paper is question 8. And it says in question 8, a square garage door is surrounded by bricks. So first thing he's going to draw out this wee picture here. It's a square garage door and it's side x. So this is x and this is x. It's surrounded by bricks. And this is 1.5 and 1.5, which means this whole length is x plus 3. The height here is 2. So the whole height is x plus 2. And it says in there, in order to meet building regulations, the area of the brickwork, so let's work that out. So the brick is going to be the whole rectangle, take away the door. So the whole rectangle, if you work that out, x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, take away the door of x squared. So tidying this up, you get 5x add 6. Now, the next thing that we're going to do here is it says the area of the brickwork must be more than twice the door. So the brick must be more than 2 times the door. So you have the brickwork up there, and the door is x times x, so it's 2x squared. It's quadratic, so put everything onto one side. Now I would be inclined to change all the signs here, so it's a positive quadratic. Now that doesn't factorise, so make sure you change that sign as well. So I'm going to use the formula a is 2, b is minus 5, c is minus 6. So x equals minus b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, minus 4ac all over 2a. And just plugging your numbers in there and just watching for the negatives as normal. Minus 5 is a positive 5. B squared is 25. Minus 4 times a times c. All over 2 2's. So 5 plus or minus 25 add 8 times 6, 48. All over 4. So 5 plus or minus the square root of, that's going to give you 73 over 4. So that's your critical value. So when you draw this out, 5 minus root 73 over 4, 5 plus root 73 over 4. And yours is a positive curve, and I want 100. So positive curve, and I want 100. So your region is between these two values. But remember what x is. X is the length of the garage door. You can't have a negative length. So your final answer, x has to be above 0.